In this video, I'll guide you through adjusting the voiceover settings in the Elevenlabs platform to achieve a whisper effect. Before we get started, if you've enjoyed this tutorial, we'd really appreciate it if you could subscribe and hit the like button. Your support encourages us to continue creating high-quality content for you. Making Elevenlabs Whisper is beneficial because it helps in maintaining a peaceful and respectful atmosphere, ensuring that sensitive or confidential information is handled discreetly and securely. So currently, the voice defaults to a regular tone when generated.
Hello there, is anyone home? It's so dark here.
Let's change that. To make the voiceover whisper, simply type whisper inside brackets before your text. For example, typing whisper, hello there, will result in a whispered rendition of the sentence instead of a normal readout.
Whisper. Hello there. Is anyone home? It's so dark here.
You can also experiment with different variations to alter the tone. Try whispering angry or whispering scared to explore different emotional nuances in the voice output.
Whisper angrily. Hello there. Is anyone home? It's so dark here.
Remember, incorporating emotions like tutorials and resources across different subjects available at MediaMagnetGuide.com and helps you customize your voiceover experience. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. It really supports us. Make sure to also explore a variety of tutorials and resources across different subjects available at MediaMagnetGuide.com.